yeah, so, by the way, these videos, if you see any video with this intro, like me saying this right now, if you see any video starting with this, it's about to go to the actual video. That means this video was actually recorded months ago. I'm just too lazy to edit it. So I'm going to start editing my videos right when I record them, so don't worry. So yeah, the next, like, 5 videos coming out are months ago. So, yeah. Any videos with this at the beginning are months ago. Just so you know. If we say anything outdated or whatever. Freaking, I almost said Burning Shadows back, but Darkness Ablaze back. Oh, no way. The actual pack is freaking charizard, too. No way. It's awesome. Alright. Aw. Well, that sucks. Hello, darkness, my old friend. That's okay. Snubble. Oh, flip. Combuskin. That's kind of cool, but it's also kind of weird. Starvia. Pokemon Breeders Nurturing. There's a really good full art of that, I'm pretty sure. Crumpiest looking Snubble. Meltan. Bonelby. Paris. Poor Paris is getting corrupted. Source Hollow. Hippo. Larvitar. Yes. The Weevil. And a Metal Energy.